online shoppers. I have a brand new Christmas tree that just arrived. Help me set it up and we'll see what it looks like when it comes out of the box. This is my first time opening this one up, so I don't know what it's going to be like. It is tightly packed. This is the folding base, and after you put the screws in that is going to secure the stem of the tree to the base, it locks. You put the screws in here, here, and here, and then you're good to go, and then it stays sturdy. And then when it's time to pack everything up, you take the screws out and it folds nice and flat. Instruction manual. When you get the tree, it comes with these little caps on the end to help protect the end pieces that connect to each other. So make sure before you put it together, you take the end caps off and save them in the box so you have them for next time. Now this one is a pre-lit tree, so each of the pieces is going to have a plug connected to it. And you have to plug one into the other so that you can light the whole tree. Always start with the base. There are 4 parts to the tree. This is D, which is your base, and this is a skinny tree, so your C is your bottom piece, your B is your next piece in, and then A goes in the top. End cap, wiggle that in. There we go. Get the screws inserted in the base to tighten once you've put in that first C piece to your base. I like to fluff before I have the full tree assembled. So I'm just gonna go in and fluff all of the branches. And this is a really cool skinny profile tree. So you can tuck this in a corner. It's not gonna take up a lot of space. And it's still a great way to bring the holiday season into your life when you've got limited space. So there you have it, folks. This is the best choice 6-foot pre-lit pencil slim skinny Christmas tree. It has 618 tips and it's pre-lit. It has 250 mini lights. Now all I have to do is plug it in. So let's get it plugged in and see how pretty it is. Okay, it's fully plugged in and it is adorable. I just love it. This took me from taking it out of the box to setting it up 20 minutes. That's it. And that's full fluff on the branches, full assembly, and not having set it up before, I know I'll be faster next time. Now this is an adorable little Christmas tree. I love the slim profile. I definitely think I can tuck this in a corner where I didn't think I could get a Christmas tree, but that I really wanted to have a Christmas tree. The total height of this one is 6.5 feet tall, and that's when we stretch right up to the very top. I'm super impressed with how easy it was to put together. I'm super impressed with how full it is, and the white mini lights are just giving me pure Christmas season already. I'm gonna be honest, I actually really like the look of a bear tree, especially when it's as pretty as this one. I actually love how easy it was to fluff. I am super impressed with this pencil skinny Christmas tree from Best Choice. I think it's fantastic. I really like it. I love everything about it, from opening the box to getting it fully set up and plugged in has been a positive experience, and I think this is definitely gonna be a family favorite at my house.